Thank you. Thank you. I'm from Texas, which means, thank you also, which means I just thought each state had their own calculator. So when I came out here for college, I thought I could get a California Instruments, but that doesn't exist, sadly. Also, since I'm from Texas, I didn't know men were allowed to eat yogurt. I saw that for the first time out here. As a freshman in college, a boy opened up a Yoplait. I mean, I closed my eyes. I thought, surely he's not ready for anyone to see this. He's got plenty of time to figure this out. My dad always used to say, never go to California, it's land of fruits and nuts. And no men were just putting that in yogurt, eating parfaits. I don't know if we have any fathers in the audience tonight, but if we do, I do have a bit of advice. If you're ever at your kid's sporting event and you have to yell, "Look alive out there," maybe they don't want to play, right? You have to yell, "Look alive out there." Maybe take them out to lunch, talk to them, find out what they really want to do. Because, I don't think there is one sport, hopefully you don't hear "Look alive" out there, and that's at a swim meet, right? Because there'd be a serious problem if you heard "Look alive" out there at a swim meet. I do want kids one day. My husband and I have actually had 2 miscarriages. And I say my husband and I had them not just because I'm a feminist, but also because I'm not taking full responsibility for that. I will have babies, but we will have miscarriages. That's how thank you, yeah. And miscarriages are super common. It's very normal. But I had 2 within 1 year, which is pretty rare because I think that makes them Irish miscarriages. Yeah. And both of them were actually missed miscarriages, is what they're called. So my body didn't show any signs. I had no idea. The doctor had to tell me that it had happened. Bit of an Irish goodbye, wouldn't you say, for both of them? I mean, okay. Guess they left. I've never had 23andMe done, but I think it's pretty clear, the situation. And people are, my friends they don't know how to handle it. They feel bad for me, but it's really okay. It's not as bad as losing a student council president. I'll tell you that. It's not. It really isn't. Because miscarriages, it's a normal medical thing. It's not personal. It's not like the embryo chose another womb to lead the student body. That wasn't the situation. There's also another term for miscarriage. It's spontaneous abortion. That's another term for it. I don't mind that one, Gives me some agency. Spontaneous abortion sort of sounds like the embryo was like, "I quit." And I said, and then I come in and I say, "You can't quit. I already fired you." Spontaneous abortion, I think. And both of them happened very early on. I was super lucky, right? They happened at about 6 weeks. And remember, I told you I'm from Texas. And I wonder if my body just still thinks I'm there. And it's just trying to take care of me, because it's like, after this, you're on your own. We got to nip this in the bud. I really think that might be the situation. I have to be honest with y'all, though. Before I went into the ultrasound this last time when it happened, I did look down and I yelled, "Look alive" out there. I did. I didn't know. Thank you, guys. I'm Macey. Thank you so much.